In this video we're going to take a look at assembling the Z-axis motors. You may notice things are a little different in this video. Well, that's because I deleted the footage by mistake. Everything you see here is from the original LH Stinger CAD model. So if you like this type of video, let me know and maybe I'll do more tutorials like this in the future. To get started we'll need the following components. 6 long M3 heat press inserts, 6 M3 by 30mm socket head screws, 2 22mm socket head screws, 4 12mm socket head screws, 6 7 by 0.5mm M3 shims, 1 9 by 0.5mm M4 shim, our plastic motor housing, our 3 cam locks labelled A, B and C, and our stepper motor, our 80 tooth pulley, our 20 tooth pulley and our belt. We'll get started by installing our 6 heat press inserts. Install your motor housing to the frame using the hardware shown on screen. Tighten your pulley and bearing stack as shown here. Once fitted in place, you can tighten the grub screws on your pulley. Next install the 80 tooth gear, the stepper motor with the hardware shown on screen, and finally our 20 tooth pulley. Ensure that the teeth are lined up with the 80 tooth pulley. Install our belt, and finally install caps A, B and C with the hardware shown on screen. To get started we'll need the following components. 4 long M3 heat press inserts, 4 M3 by 30mm socket head screws, 2 22mm socket head screws, 4 12mm socket head screws, 6 7 by 0.5mm M3 shims, 1 9 by 0.5mm M4 shim, our plastic motor housing, our 2 cam locks labelled A and B, and our stepper motor, our 80 tooth pulley, our 20 tooth pulley and our belt. The right motor assembly is a repeat of the left with the exception of having one less bearing. So we'll start by installing our heat press inserts and then installing the motor housing onto the frame, paying attention to only install one of the T-nuts. The second will need to be installed manually afterwards. Add our bearing and pulley stack and our A and B cam locks. Install the stepper motor, our 80 tooth pulley, our 20 tooth pulley and our belt. Finally we'll assemble our belt tensioners. We'll only do one of these as these are identical on both sides. To assemble each of these we'll need the following components. Our 20 tooth iron, our 5mm shaft, 2 7 by 5 by 0.5mm shims, 1 short M3 heat press insert, our 3 30-30 M3 T-nut, 1 M3 hex nut, 2 M3 by 10mm button head screws, 1 M3 by 20mm button head screw, and 1 M3 by 14mm socket head screw. We'll also need our printed main body, our printed inner body, and a printed knob. We'll start by installing our 3 T-nuts in the frame as shown on screen. Attach the main body to the frame using these 3 screws. The 10mm screws are inserted from the inside. Tighten the M3 nut onto the 20mm button head screw and install it into the plastic housing. You can apply a little glue to keep it secure. Install the idler with a shim either side by pushing the 5mm shaft through the centre hole. Install a heat press insert into our printed knob and then use the knob to hold the tensioner in place, as shown on screen. And that concludes the tensioner mechanism assembly. As a disclaimer, this kit was provided free of charge by Pfizer for research and review purposes. However, they have no input in the outcome of this or any videos on the channel. We'll not see the video before you. Thank you for watching, and if you don't want to miss the next step of our sticker journey, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And I welcome your comments and feedback on the videos and projects. If you want to get your own LH Stinger kit, you can find them at the links in the video description, as well as several useful resources such as the LH Stinger GitHub and Git Discord server. I want to thank Liam Hayes, the creator of the LH Stinger, for his cooperation and guidance, and our official filament sponsor Filamentive, who have provided us with a huge batch of filament for this and many of our next projects.